How to change hidden photos password in iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If you want to change the passcode used to unlock hidden photos, then what you can do is you will have to change your iPhone's passcode completely since hidden photos uses your iPhone passcode. So if you want to change that, you will have to change your iPhone passcode. So launch the Settings application on your device and tap on the Face ID and passcode option there. Further, go ahead and enter your current passcode and you will then be required to choose a new passcode for your option. So tap on the change passcode option you see there. Further, go ahead and enter your current passcode again and now you will be required to choose your passcode options. You can choose from 4-digit numeric code or 6-digit numeric code or custom numeric code or custom alphanumeric code. Now, choose your preferred option and then enter your new passcode and then enter your new passcode again and now your hidden and recently deleted album will unlock with the new passcode only or with your Face ID. So this is how you can change hidden photos password in iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.